Today we're playing, what is it?
Tower Mystery?
Mystery ata.
Mystery?
Misery? Misery pala, mystery ako ng mystery. Misteryo. Yan ang recording ko kanina. Taas.
We're back playing Mystery. Tower Mystery.
Yeah. Tower of Hell.
Isa ba? Ito.
Hindi ko pala kaya yung tanong.
Kaya ko dyan.
Wala akong pake. Hindi ikaw ang naglalaro. Charot!
Ano dyan? After you losing Andrew.
Can you shut up, subject? My brother's so annoying.
No, we're not. He is
Because,
alone.
ah! Yan, zero kasi.
He's the most annoying.
Narinig ka lang. Yun.
Why Tower Mystery is easy and Tower? What? Why?
Dying, bro.
Big Brother is so annoying. People have voice chat, I think. Oh, you did it. That's it.
Easy!
Uy, mas madali yung Tower Mystery. Voice chat.
Ah! Hindi pala easy!
Ako.
No, it's my phone. Shut up! So, tatapong ko ito, tingnan mo.
My name means not sex. Oh, lapit na. This time I want you. Lapit na.
Oh my god, that's so far. Ang hirap naman itong orange. Just don't sing, I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm gonna get copyright. It's when you... Just don't sing. Focus! Yes! I did it!